LPG gas cylinders are an important part of our daily life. It is an essential component of our kitchen which helps in cooking food. But have you ever thought, for what are these numbers written on the cylinders for? So let me say you. Actually, cylinders also have expiry dates. These are actually the expiry dates of the cylinder, after which it is mandatory to be put onto test. Actually, each letter denotes a quarter of a year followed by a number that denotes the year. So, A stands for January to March, B for April to June, C for July to September, and D for October to December. For example, in the above cylinder, the number is A29, which indicates that it will expire physically between January and March 2029 and has to be pulled out for mandatory testing during this period.